Today we are going to see one topic from Oracle, that is SQL check constant. The check constant is used to limit the value range that can be placed in a column. If you define a check constant on a column, it will allow only certain values for this column. That means we are going to create one table with the column age means you can restrict the age between 18 to 50 or above 18 or below 30. Like that, we can create the check constraint on the age column so that we can have only the certain values, not the all the values. We are going to create one table. I will show it now. See, following table party, it contains three columns: ID, party name, and age. First, I am going to create the table with constraint. Here we are having table with three columns: ID, party name, and age. Age should be greater than or equal to 18. That means those who have completed the age 18, we can say a person should be 18 or above 18. Now I will show the table. See here the check constant has got created, but the constant name created by the system itself. So it has given some number as 43128, sys underscore COO 43128. It's a constraint name given by the system itself. Okay. And search condition is age is greater than or equal to 18. It has got created on the table. One row inserted. Now I have inserted one row with the age 20. Let me will try to insert one value which contains the age 17. Now it should throw error. See, it says check constraint violated. The value being inserted do not satisfy the named check. That means the check constraint violation arised. So we cannot insert the value if the age is around, the age is 17. It should be 18 and above. Okay. For example, if I created the table without the constraint, later on we can add the check constraint. How can we do that? I will show an example. Now I have created one table party underscore new with the same columns, but here I have not created the check constraint. I'm going to create it after creating the table. Now I have created the table party underscore new, so that now I am going to create the check constraint on the column age by using the alter table. See, here it says party new altered. See, now I have given the constraint name also. Before that, when we created the table party, it the constraint name generated by the system itself, and we have not given any name. But here we have given the name check underscore age. So it has given the name. Actually, the name has got created in the table. So the constraint name is check underscore age. What is the use of this constraint name means, if you allow the system itself to create the constraint name, mostly the numbers will be created. For our verification, or for example, if the new persons are joining means, and they will be getting confused. So you should follow the proper naming conventions, and also the proper name should be given to the constraints. If proper name has been given means, then it is very easy for us to follow. Otherwise, it will be confusing. So if you give CHA underscore age means it is check constraint on the age column. So it is very clear. Now we are going to see now we are going to see how to drop the constraint. Before that, I will tell you one thing. Even without giving the constraint name also, you can create the constraint. Okay, that is not a problem, but system will generate its own constraint name. Okay, now we are going to see how to drop a constraint. Okay. See, we have dropped the constraint. The constraint has got removed from the table. So this is the way you should create the constraint, alter the constraint. If the name is not there, you can create you can give the name. In the same way, if I forgotten to create the constraint, you can create the constraint after creating the table. And we have seen how to drop the constraint. Okay. Thanks. Bye.